Look, we are all tired of seeing these streamers with perfect aim and zero recoil, kind of like this. And then your aim looks a little bit more like this. So today I got you guys with the only settings guide you're going to need to get the least amount of visual recoil while maximizing your aim assist. All right, so let's open up that settings menu and go down to the graphics tab. All right, fellas, tab over to the view slide. All right, look, y'all, the very first thing, FOV, turn that thing up to 120 for me. Look, we're all adults here. Go ahead and put it up to the max setting or you're going to get your camera broken in the Omni movement. Next one is change this ADS field of view to affected. This just makes it so whenever you zoom in, it stays at 120 instead of zooming in down to like 90 FOV. Change the weapon field of view to wide so the weapon looks smaller on the screen. Keep going down to camera, turn these Johns, weapon motion blur, world motion blur, turn them Johns off. First person camera movement, put that on 50%. Now make sure you hit that follow button for updates going forward and then copy these aim assist settings.